It is beautiful out, so I decided to hop on the bike and go for a little ride. Not 100% sure where I'm going to end up. I've got an idea, but I'm not 100% sure. So, and I've moved my mic. It is now on my chin bar, so it's right by my mouth. And it's weird because now that I'm running the GoPro with its own microphone, or obviously an aftermarket external microphone, I can actually listen to music again, which I couldn't do with the Prism, because when I'd sync up to the Prism, the audio would stop. Well, music wise, I mean, I'd still hear it, like people talking and that through the intercom, but I couldn't listen to music, which sucked. But now I can, and it's kind of weird because I'm listening to music right now and I don't know, I'm having a hard time concentrating on what I'm talking about. I'm sure you guys can't hear the music. Well, I don't think you can. I mean, kind of hope not, because it's obviously copyrighted music. But I've played with the audio, and while I do kind of like the audio that was coming from the microphone up on the cheek pad on top of it, it just wasn't 100% reliable, because I noticed when I was out on the highway I could hear a lot of wind noise, and I couldn't really hear my voice at some points, even when there wasn't wind noise. But because I've got of where I moved it, the audio was louder from my voice, obviously because the microphone is right by my mouth. I need to open the stop vent. I closed it the other day, and I think I closed this one too. But I gotta crack this, get a little wind going in here. But the audio seemed better overall where it's at, because you could actually hear the bike a little bit better. You could definitely hear my voice better, which I would hope, I mean, being that close to your mouth. But I think what it was because where it was at, this microphone's a dual channel or a stereo microphone, so there's technically two microphones built into one, and they're facing two different directions. You got a left and a right. And I think when I had it up on the cheek deal, I had it running side to side, and I think the one microphone was being blocked by the pads in the helmet, because I had it pretty tight back that way. Looked like a battery tray. But now I've got it going vertical, so instead of running, you know, like this, it's running like this. So now the microphones themselves are not being blocked by anything. if you catch what I say. I mean, there's nothing obstructing the sound from getting to them. So I think when you got both of them going, it makes it clear. It clears it up a lot, because you're getting audio in both microphones. You're getting yeah, I mean, it's just, it was a little weird where it's at, because I wasn't used to the placement, but because I can kind of feel it on my cheek a little bit, close to the corner of my mouth, but not enough to really screw with you. But it's a beautiful day, so I figured I'd go out for a ride. I wanted to ride on New Year's Day, but it was windy as could be, so I didn't. It would have, I mean, we took the dog, we took my wife's puppy to the dog park, because a friend of mine has her brother. They were literally born in the same litter, and he got him, and we took Harley, which is what my wife named her puppy, as in Harley Quinn. Yeah, like her name, like where she got her name. And went from we took her and met up with my buddy at the dog park. His puppy's name is Buddy, and yeah, it is the same. It is Harley's brother. It's her. They're from the same litter. So we met up, let them play a while, and the wind was just so strong. Just us standing there, it was trying to push us around, and it was kind of hard to stand up because the wind was so strong. And I didn't want to try and go out and ride on it and have it push my bike around. I didn't want to, and it wasn't like a steady thing that you could kind of adapt to. It was just random gusts. I mean, we did have a steady wind, but not enough to really affect anything. But the gusts were insane, and right now I'm feeling some wind, but it ain't near as bad as that, and it seems like it's pretty consistent. I mean, I'm getting a blast here and there, but nothing that's gonna really screw with me. So there's somebody behind us. I haven't seen any lights come on, so it doesn't look like one of the police vehicles.